Well, good afternoon. I'm Tom Crawford, and we're in Tucson, Arizona. And I'm going to show you today how you can deep water your desert trees. We have a desert willow here, and as you can see, my wife and I have set up a drip line. But that drip line lets the water penetrate from the surface, and it doesn't get down as deep as we would like. So I'm going to show you how to create a tube that you can use to get the water down to the roots. Now this is about a 10-foot section of PVC pipe that has about a 3.5-inch outside diameter. And in order to make a tube, you want to measure about two feet from the end, okay? And you mark it. And then in order to allow the tube to deliver water all up and down the 2 feet that it'll be in the ground, you want to make rows of spots where you will drill holes in order to allow the water to seep out of the tube into the soil. So you go ahead and you do this all the way around, and I'm not going to take the time to do it, but you do it all the way around, putting them about maybe an 1.5 inches or 2 from one another at a particular depth. And here we put marks for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 holes. So there'll be good movement of the water outside the tube. How do you cut this thing? After you have drilled with an electric drill the holes all around the tube, you'll use a hacksaw and cut at the 2-foot length. So then you have a 2-foot section that you're going to put in the soil. How to get it into the soil? The way that we did it is we used my soil auger. I'm a soil scientist. You can buy augers in the local hardware store as well. And so we made a hole that was 2 feet deep right here. You see there? That's the hole. And we have already put the 2-foot section of pipe with its holes and an open bottom into the soil, and then we packed it around on the outside. So once you have installed your pipe, then you need to put water in it. Ethan, would you help us by putting some water in and filling up this tube? Come on over.
Yes.
So Ethan has a watering can that has 2 gallons in it, and we'll see how much he uses to fill up the tube. So go ahead and fill up the tube. And just let her go. That's good. Just hold it right there. There you go. Gotta make sure it goes in. Keep going. All the way to the top. Great, thank you, Ethan. Let's see how much is left inside here. It's about, holding it up to the sun, is about 3/4 of a gallon left. So we put in a little over a gallon, and you can go back over there now. Yeah, it's, oh, okay, add a little more. You can add a little more until you bring it up, and then I'll cover it up. Yeah, Great. Thank you, Ethan. Okay, you can go back to the wall there. So then you put a rock over it to protect it from animals so no animals get into it. And you now have watered, deep watered your tree. In this instance we have a dormant desert willow. And this can be done with any tree in your landscaping. So that concludes our quick little look into how you deep water your trees. If you would like more information, please contact me at globalagronomy.com, which is my website, and there's a contact part of the website, and it's spelled GLOBALAGRONOMY.com. Thanks again for listening.